All right, Phil, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our ass cast heads on it. We just got a Edelbrock manifold on our Dyno carburetor. I guess you have your own induction and carburetor distributor. Custom ground hydraulic roller. Got the Moroso front sump oil pan. Wonder to make a run, so it does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3500 is 503 foot-pounds torque, peak torque 541, peak horsepower 523, rated at 500, so everything's good. We'll pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple of things. When you're receiver in, you find a single inside your credit card. It is a USB card. It is full of technical information. In the crate will be the single spec sheet. Recommend reading all that. Have a great day.